In this video, I'm going to do grade 9 math, the first chapter is 1.1, add and subtract mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction is something like this, like 3 1 over 2, 1 half, something like this. So we need to add and subtract these mixed fraction. So first let's talk about how to add mixed fraction. Let's say if we have 5 3 over 4 plus 2 1/3. How can we add these two numbers? So there are different methods to calculate this. First one, let's say we do solution 1. We can use the whole part as the whole part and the fraction part as the fraction part. So 5 3 over 4 plus 2 1/3 equal 5 plus 2 plus 3 over 4 plus 1 over 3. So this part will give us 7. This part, we just need to do the fraction addition. So we need to get the LCD for them. So let's just look at this part. So the LCD is 3 times 4, which is 12. So 3 over 4 plus 1/3 equals 3 times 3 divided by 4 times 3 plus 1 times 4 divided by 3 times 4, which is 9 over 12 plus 4 over 12. That's 13 divided by 12. Or if we change this improper fraction to mixed fraction, that's 1 1/12. So the answer here is 1 1/12. So that will give us, we still just keep going, use the whole part as the whole part, 8/12. In solution 2, we can do, let me copy this down first. We can just change this and this, change mixed fraction to improper fraction. So by doing this one, it's 4. So 4 times 5 plus 3. This one is 3, copy down, 2 times 3 plus 1. So that will give us 23 divided by 4 plus 7 divided by 3. Then we find the LCD for them. LCD is still 3 times 4, which is 12. So that's 23 times 3 divided by 4 times 3 plus 7 times 4 divided by 3 times 4. That's 12. That's 69 plus 28, which is 12. That's 797. And then we convert this fraction back to the mixed fraction, which is if we use long division, 97 divided by 12, that's 8, it's 84. No, 94. 97 here. That's 7 minus 9, 96. So it's 1. So the whole part is 8. We have 1 left divided by 12. So these are two different solutions we can have. We can add the whole part and add the fraction part separately, and we can convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction. And after we get the result, we can convert the improper fraction to mixed fraction. This is for this, and now let's look at subtraction. So let's say if we have 8 1/12 minus 436 divided by 60. What will this give us? So same thing, we can use the same method we can use. So solution 1, use the whole part, subtract the whole part. And fraction part, subtract fraction part, which is 8/12 minus 436 by 60. It will give us 8 minus 4 plus 1/12 minus 36 divided by 60. So the thing is, sometimes this number is less than this number, so that could give us a negative value. But here we have possibility, just do this one, so that 4 plus. For this one, so we need to find the LCD for them. It's 60. So just for this one, 12 minus 60 here. So it's 5 divided by 60. Minus 36 divided by 60, so that's negative 31 divided by 60. So that give us a negative value. That's why we need to borrow 1 from here, so it's 3 plus 1 minus 31 divided by 60. So if we use 1 minus 31 divided by 60, that will give us 29. So it's 329 over 60. It's just sometimes the fraction, this fraction is bigger than this one. That's why we will get negative value here. So we need to do the subtraction because we use 4 minus this one. We can just isolate 1 from 4, then use 1 subtract that 31 divided by 60. That will give us 29 over 60. Solution 2 is we can just we change the mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Change to improper fraction. So here 8 1/12 36 divided by 60, that will give us, so it's 12, 8 times 12 plus 1 minus 60, that's 4 times 60 plus 36. Then 12 times 8 is 96, so then 97 divided by 12 minus 60, at 240, 276. Now we just need to find the LCD for them. That will be 60, so it's 12 times 5, 97 times 5 minus 276. So that will give us 60. So 97 times 5. So 485 minus 276 will give us, so we do minus 276, it's 902, 209 divided by 60. Then after that, we convert this improper fraction to the mixed fraction. That's 209 divided by 60, 329. So it's 329 divided by 60. That will also give us the correct result here. So we convert the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then do the subtraction here. After that, we convert it back to the mixed fraction. Now let's look at another example. So let's say we have 2 1/3 plus 5/3. So solution 1, we can just use so without doing any changing, we can use the whole part as a whole part, which is 2 plus 0. And the fraction part as a fraction part. So that's 2 plus, that will give us 6/3, which is 4. Solution 2 is we can change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. So we just need to change this one. That would be 3, 2 times 3 plus 1. And plus 5/3. So that's a 7/3 plus 5/3. 12/3, which is a 4. So let's change the, here what we do is mix fraction to improper fraction. And then do the addition. And now after that, change back to mix fraction if necessary. Let's look at another example. Let's say if we have 5 minus 2/3. So solution 1 is, by looking at it, since there's no fraction on this one, so we can just isolate 1 from 5 by using it. So 5 minus 2/3. So 4 plus 1 minus 2/3. So that would be 4. 1 minus 2/3, that's 1/3. So it's 4 1/3. Let's do another example. 3 5/6 plus 7/2. So solution 1 is we just use the whole part as a whole part. 3 plus 7 plus 5/6 plus 1/2. So that's 10. And for this part is the LCD is 6. So if we 5/6 plus 1/2, 5/6 plus 1 times 3, 2 times 3, that would be 5/6 plus 3, 6. That's 8/6. So that's 10 plus 8/6. 10 8/6, but we can simplify this one by dividing by 2 on the top and bottom, so it's 10 4/3. And then we can, since the 4 is greater than 3, so we can get another 1, so that will be 11 1/3. Because we can do 4/3 is 1 plus 1/3. So 10 plus, so the total will be 10 plus 1 plus 1/3. It's 11 1/3. Solution 2 is we can just convert that mixed fraction to improper fraction. So that would be 6. 3 times 6 plus 5 plus 2 on the bottom. 7 times 2 plus 1. That will give us 23 divided by 6. So that's plus 15 divided by 2. And the common denominator, least one, is a 6. So we do 23 divided by 6 plus 15 times 3, 2 times 3. So that's 23 divided by 6 plus 45 divided by 6. So that will give us 68 divided by 6. So that's so 68 divided by 6, that's 18162. So it's 11 2 over 6. We can simplify this by dividing by 2 on the top and bottom, so it's 11 1/3. So this is the whole idea how we do the addition, adding, and subtracting mixed numbers, mixed fraction. I hope you know how to do that now. Thank you for watching.